Today I started cycling after 3 days of rest. I still have a lot of pain. I can't lift my bike actually. I have to be very careful. I cannot push my bike very much, but it still is okay. I think I can start cycling. In Pera, I had a friend from France. He's French. He told me there is an Iranian family here living here, and he found the direction and sent me the direction. I came here. They have a little cafe here. It's a beautiful atmosphere here in their cafe, and it's so nice to have Iranian music, Iranian food, and Iranian ambience here. Just somewhere in Brazil, in Pereira actually. I still have a lot of pain on my back. And waking up is not easy. I have to move a lot. I have to be very careful. Standing from my bed, getting out of my bed. I can move rapidly and but I think I'm getting better. I think in 2-3 days I will be totally fine. But I will have a bit of difficulties for the next 2 days. And this is my home for last night. I found a very nice shelter here. Even though it didn't rain last night. It's gonna rain now. Rain is coming. Cycling on the road that I met another cyclist. He's kind of bike packing. It's between bike packing and cycling, and heavy cycling. So we had a coffee here in a cafe, and he's trying to help to organize some schools on my way, and contacting his friends along the way in the cities on my way. So I'm hoping with his support, with his help, I can have some schools to visit along the way, when in Fortaleza or in otras, in different cities on my way. This is my window this morning. I get out of my tent to show you. Oh my goodness, I still have pain. This is hard to get up. Last night, I came from that road. I saw this place. I found it perfect for camping because I had a shelter. I was fine with the rain, with everything. So, and the most important things, I had a beautiful window. in the morning I was preparing my coffee in front of my tent, and so uh, this gentleman came, and he's living next to the place I'm camping. He's I camp here uh, behind this car, in, yeah, behind the car, and he lives here. He passed. He stopped and he 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 stopped and he started the conversation. And then he said, "You won't have coffee." I already had mine because I already prepared mine. And but in this kind of situation, if you say no, it's the end of conversation. So always I say, "Oh yes, so thank you very much. I really appreciate." Even though my coffee was ready, and when I get back to my 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 tent is already cold. But for me, accepting things is very important, because when you accept things, you allow people to continue conversation. You allow people to support you, to help you. So I said, "Oh yes, thank you very much. I really appreciate." And he said, "Okay, just follow me." And I followed him, and I'm sitting here in front of his house. We had a nice conversation, even though it's a language barrier, but still, it still is a great chance to communicate with locals. Now raining again. I go back to my tent and start preparing things before I leave. I finished packing, and I should get ready to start cycling. But every day before cycling, I try to take a shower. And for me, the best place to take a shower is here, just in the lake. And if it starts raining, it makes it much not even nicer. It's amazing. It's raining, and being here under rain in the lake. Oh, there's fish biting me. Oh, this is crazy. I have to get out of here. They are quite big. Sometimes it's a bit painful. Here I have my sugar cane. It rained a lot here. and always I have to find a shelter, waiting for the rain to pass, and I can't do much about it. Luckily here I found this guy who are making sugarcane juice, and I can have some sugarcane juice as well while waiting for the rain to stop. It's 4 in the morning now. Because of the pain, I can't move much. It's not getting better, which is not good. Last night, looking for a shelter, I came here and I slept here. I left my bike with all my luggage like this here outside, and I set up my tent under this shelter. Now I have some sunshine and drying my clothes before I cycle again. I'm packing just now.